Got half an inch of rain since last weekend.
Well, unfortunately, the level of the new section of the pond is back down to where it was last weekend. Maybe even more. At least 1.5 feet water has been absorbed or disappeared. Here's the wishful thinking overflow pipe. Well, what I'm trying first is lowering the overflow for the original pond just slightly so that it spills into the new section rather than go off into the wetlands, not wasting the water this way and filling up the pond. I need to put a screen here to keep any fish from venturing into the pipe and down into the new section. Made a screen using vinyl covered chicken wire to keep the fish from going through the tube. Well, it seems to be working. That's a future feeder location. It's 4:30 p.m. Saturday. Been about a little over 24 hours that I've been pumping water in the pond. It's getting filled up about where it was a week ago. Now I'm going to go ahead and proceed with bringing some topsoil over from the pile from the dirt I extracted earlier on. I hope to get 4 to 6 inches of topsoil on top of the berm. Since it's all clay, it's going to need that much soil to grow grass. This may be as full as I can get it. Water is leaking out somewhere. I think it's on the far side there because the color is darker, making it look damp. That's the area of the berm I think I'm going to have to repair. Well, I got topsoil in about maybe 1/4 of the berm today. Hopefully it won't rain tonight, washing it away. Once that's down, I'll seed it, put some starter fertilizer on it, and then put some straw from that bale of hay from the last mowing here. Shadow's checking out the topsoil on the berm. It's 7:30 p.m. Saturday night. Finally, the level reached the bottom of the pipe anyway. Still not matching the upper pond. Let's just let it go during the night, see what happens. The new section of the pond's filled up really good. Just 1 inch or 2 yet to go. I have some berm repair work to do. We've got a leak. I haven't packed this down very good. That was the last place I filled. Hopefully that will take care of it. Put some topsoil and some grass seed and starter fertilizer on that half of the berm on that side. Next we're going to put some straw on it to cover it up. Maybe keep the birds off of it a little bit. Beautiful clouds this morning reflecting in the new pond. I've got half the berm seeded and covered with straw. It's starting to rain. How fortunate. Time to call it quits for the weekend.